empowering students across India. Platforms like these transform curiosity into capability. Please join me in welcoming Sai Vadraju. He's a marketing professional with 7 years of experience managing pan India marketing activities. He is goal oriented, adaptable, and works effectively both independently and in teams. He is also an international FIDE rated chess player, Telugu story writer, and photographer. Sai, please note that this presentation is recorded for the benefit of the participants. Over to you, Sai.
Thank you so much for having me here today, and thank you so much for the opportunity. I can see a lot of enthusiastic and ambitious learners out here, answering all the questions that Jacinta asked. I've been, following up all the chat section. Happy to see you all here today. Uh, Thank you so much for the introduction. Like you mentioned, I'm Sai Narendra. I'm working as a specialist learning at Infosys Springboard. So I will be taking you through the Infosys Springboard platform today, and I'll guide you on what all courses we are offering and what exactly Springboard is all about, what initiative that we have, and how you can benefit from the Infosys Springboard platform. So with that, let me share my screen. Hope my screen is visible.
Yes, yes.
Thank you for the confirmation. All right. So how many of you actually know about Infosys Springboard? I'm just curious to know. Okay. All right. So Infosys Springboard, it started in March 2021 during the COVID time. So you all must be knowing how COVID has impacted learning, right? So to overcome that and to democratize education in India, Infosys has started Infosys Springboard as part of the ESG vision. And it is a CSR initiative of Infosys, the Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative. And today we have over 1 crore learners on Infosys Springboard platform, and we have 20,000 plus courses, all available free of cost. We are not charging anything; it's all free, everything, including the learning, the certificate, downloading the certificate, everything is free of cost. And as you can see on my screen, the vision of Infosys Springboard is to empower 20 million learners by 2030. So we already are at 1 crore, which is like 10 million at the moment. And we are aiming to reach 20 million by 2030, which means we wanted to touch each and every cornermost village and every student, every learner in India. So that's our vision. And for whom is this Infosys Springboard platform for? It's for everyone. It's for all of you. Anybody from class 6 standard till lifelong learners can be a part of Infosys Springboard platform. They can log in and learn. And like I mentioned, we are not charging anything, even for the login or even for learning or even for downloading the certificate or being a part of any of the initiative of Infosys Springboard. Okay, so what is the strategy? So Infosys Springboard is for everyone, like I mentioned, it's directly to the learners. So anybody can easily log in on Infosys Springboard platform and they can learn. And once they log in, they get access to all the 20,000 plus courses that are available, and everything is free of cost. So we have like user base of 1 crore learners, which is including the students from 6th standard, graduates, postgraduates, doctorates, professionals, and lifelong learners. So all these learners are learning on the platform. And we have collaborated with 13 state governments, okay, across India. Like you can see in the last slide, last page of the pyramid, we have collaborated with Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Assam, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Goa, Bihar, UP, and many more states that we are planning to even collaborate and bring it onto the platform. And we are like I mentioned, we have 20,000 plus courses, but we never compromise. Though it is free of cost, we are providing it free of cost. We have never compromised on the quality of the content. We have quality content from Udemy, Skillsoft, Academy, connecting the dots, which is for the students of 6 to 12 standard. We have fed animations. So like that, we have 20,000 plus courses available. In fact, we had Coursera also. Again, we will be renewing the contract very soon. Like that, we have 20,000 plus courses available. And these courses, you have courses, certifications, playgrounds, and channels. So like you have a lot of content available on the platform. And these courses are accredited by AICTE, NCVET, which are the accreditation bodies in India, which means they are all authorized by the government of India. And we not just only the collaboration with the government, but we also collaborated with the educational departments, educational institutions across India. Around 1,800 plus universities and colleges, NGOs are part of Infosys Springboard platform. So you can imagine the impact that Infosys Springboard has created so far, right? When so many learners, so many governments are collaborated, so many educational institutions are collaborated, and they are all learning on the platform. Why not you? So log in onto the platform and make maximum use of this free platform that is available for all of you. Of course, I'll guide you on how to log in by end of this presentation. Then how does the curriculum, the content integration, and how the students are learning on the platform? So, like I mentioned, there are 1,800 plus organizations that are available on the that have signed up with Infosys Springboard. They signed an MOU with us. So, what they generally does is they take the courses on Infosys Springboard platform. They create a channel page or a microsite that we call for their specific college or institution, and they map the content onto the microsite, which means the students here will benefit in two different ways. One, they get the grading points from the institution, and at the same time they get the certificate. As soon as they complete any of the course or certification, they get a certificate from Infosys Springboard with the branding of Infosys. And every certificate that Infosys Springboard provides will have a QR code, which means any recruiter, if they scan the QR code, they will get to know that the certificate is authorized by Infosys and Infosys Springboard, and the learner has genuinely learned on the platform. And not just that, we have gamified learning experiences. We do conduct a lot of campaigns, and we have a lot of mentoring channels that are available on the platform. And like I mentioned, we have 10 million plus learners on the platform, out of which 30% are girl students across India. And not just that, we also provide a lot of initiatives like Pragati Path to Future program, AWS Skill Builder, internships, Lab on Wheels, Maker Lab, and many more. We conduct faculty enablement programs, student enablement programs, leadership enablement programs, etc. So we have a vast content available, and at the same time, we have a lot of initiatives also to help learners like you to learn and upskill yourself and be job ready. And there are a lot of industry ready digital job roles also available on the platform, which means which will help you learn. If you learn these courses, they will help you reach you to get that job readiness. Okay. And 20,000 courses and 18 plus 100 institutions that I already mentioned. And let me move to the next slide. And these are all the initiatives that I was mentioning about. So we have Infosys Springboard internships available. All these are free internships. We are not paying anything. But the kind of expertise that you get, that kind of mentorship that you get during this internship is very, very valuable, because you will be getting a lot of projects that you can work on as a team, and you have to present the your project at the end of the entire 8 week program, so that you'll be getting a program completion certificate from Infosys Springboard. And at the same time, you will be going through a lot of courses that are there on Springboard, which will help you be job ready. Okay. And you as you complete these courses as part of the program or the project, you will be getting the completion certificates as well, which you can add to your resumes. And these internships, they are conducted on a hybrid model. You will be going through the projects on digital marketing, artificial intelligence, and many more. Okay, and these are all open source contributions, so you can work. And these are all very flexible internships. Also, it's not like you have to spend all the time on these internship projects. You can complete your academics, and you can spend like 1 or 2 hours in a day for these 8 weeks, so that you can complete this internship program. This is very flexible. Then coming to Pragati Path to Future program, it's a woman exclusive program and it is a 12-week program. And anybody above 18 years of age, any woman learner above 18 years of age can be a part of Pragati Path to Future program. And we have completed 7 cohorts so far. And we have got almost 15,000 plus graduate learners through this program across India. And you can just go and type on YouTube, or you can search on LinkedIn. Pragati is very famous among the women learners. They're learning a lot. They're upskilling a lot through this program. Okay, and we conduct these 12-week program in courses like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and data science. Along with that, we also do conduct sessions on professional skills, like where we will be guiding them on how to improve their communication skills, how to build their resume, how to gain leadership qualities. And so all these things are part of the curriculum of Pragati. So there will be two tracks, one tech track and the other is the non-tech track. Whoever is from the non-tech background can be a part of the data science track, which is the non-tech track. And whoever is into the tech background, like software engineering, whoever is into the engineering background, they can take cloud computing as their track. And artificial intelligence being the trending technology at the moment, it's a common for all the two tracks. And professional skills is also common for those two tracks. So if you are interested, you can be a part of Pragati program, or you can be a part of the internship program. So internship 7.0 is going to be launched very soon. If you want, you can be a part of that as well. You can, if you register on Infosys Springboard, you will be getting all the communication mailers, or if you are following Infosys Springboard on social media platforms, you will be getting the information on that very soon. And right now, Pragati Cohort 8 is going to be launched very soon. We have completed the registration process. So they will be into the program very soon. Okay. Then, like I mentioned, we also collaborate with a lot of universities and colleges, and we have AICT accreditation and NCVT accreditation, and they will be learning all the industry ready or job ready skills on the platform. And we also are available on all the social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Threads, and YouTube. We recently launched the YouTube channel as well. So we have almost 7 lakh plus followers on LinkedIn. So what generally the learners are doing is they complete any course, if they complete any course on Infosys Springboard, any certification on Infosys Springboard, or if they have joined any of these initiatives like internship or Pragati or any other initiative from Infosys Springboard, they share their learning experiences and they share their certificate on LinkedIn platform, and they tag Infosys Springboard. They use the relevant hashtags where the visibility, they get the visibility of the HRs across the LinkedIn platform. And there are many learners who have benefited from that, because we really don't know from where the opportunity will come to you, right? So there is a chance that the HRs may see the certificate that you are upskilling in these kind of courses, then they may approach you for any job. So you can just type Infosys Springboard on LinkedIn, and you can see a lot of learners sharing their certificates on the platform. Then we also collaborate with NGOs. In fact, Folks Foundation is one of the NGO that has been actively being part of Infosys Springboard platform, and helping women learners. In fact, it's a very great initiative. They have been upskilling you. They have been guiding you through the courses, and helping you get job ready. In fact, I think it's more than 2 years that Folks Foundation has been part of Infosys Springboard platform. Not just that, we also do conduct daily expert knowledge session, the master classes that we call it. It will be from 5 to 6 p.m. in the evening. Anybody can come and join. We do conduct the sessions in various domains like technology, marketing, finance, and also the professional skills. We do have a lot of expert educators at Infosys who will be teaching and guiding these learners whoever join the master classes, and they will be helping them upskill themselves in the platform. Then coming to the government skill development programs, like I mentioned, we have tied up with 13 plus state governments, the government of higher education, the Department of Higher Education, Department of Technical Education, in these 13 states. Not just that, only even the upskilling programs of the government, like Nan Mudalvan from Tamil Nadu, UP DESCOM Uttar Pradesh, SCRT in Maharashtra, and many other the government initiatives. They are helping their students learn the courses from Infosys Springboard. They have tied up with Infosys Springboard platform, and almost 2 to 3 lakh, or even more than that number of students from Nan Mudalvan program, which is a very huge success, are learning on the platform on a regular basis. Then coming to connecting the unconnected, the lab on wheels, we have a bus called the lab on make Infosys Springboard lab on wheels, where it contains the adult tinkering lab kits. And this bus goes to the rural most villages, because there are schools, especially the government schools, where there is very limited infrastructure, where they will not be able to teach that technology to the students. So identifying those schools, or if they are approaching us as part of the government tie-up, we will be sending this lab on wheels bus to those cornermost villages. And there are tablets available in the bus, and there are kits related to robotics, IoT, artificial intelligence, 3D printing, etc. And they can do experiments in the bus itself. They can learn these courses. There's a smart TV also available in the bus, and they will be there is a educator also available in the bus all the time. So they will be teaching the courses to the students in the bus itself and helping them learn on the platform. Okay, that's how we are touching even the rural most villages. That's why we call it the connecting the unconnected. Then faculty enablement programs. If at all we want to reach many of the students, the educators have to be trained. So keeping this in mind, we have these 1800 plus institutions that have tied up with Infosys Springboard, and also the 13 state governments. All the faculties that are there as part of these organizations, we are training them on a regular basis. So even in the latest technology trends like artificial intelligence, IoT, etc., etc., and we so that they will in turn go to their students and teach them. So we do conduct a lot of faculty enablement programs as well. And finally, skilling to livelihood. Why are we doing all these things? Why are we upskilling you? Why are we helping you learn? Ultimate goal is to help you be job ready, right? Ultimate goal is to get a job. So we recently launched the job marketplace, which is having a lot of jobs available on the platform. We have tied up with a lot of companies. Of course, it is in a budding stage right now. There are like around 60 jobs available on the platform, and you can learn the courses here, and at the same time you can also apply for the jobs here. Okay, so ultimate, that's why we call Infosys Springboard platform as learning to livelihood, which means you're learning here and at the same time you are getting a job also here. And it's not like, you have to, we are not promising that, you'll get a job in Infosys, but we are upskilling you so that you can be job ready and you can apply for jobs anywhere in India and abroad, of course. So this is our approach. All these learning ultimately leading to the jobs. So all these initiatives, like I mentioned, internship, Pragati, job marketplace, government skilling programs, Maker Lab, Lab on Wheels, all these are ultimately our aim is to help you be job ready. Okay, so that's our ultimate aim. Now let me go show you the platform, Infosys Springboard platform. Of course, today there is some maintenance happening on the platform. So right now it can be a little slow, but this is the platform, and anybody, you can just click on the login button, and you can log in as an individual learner on the platform. Okay, there is some maintenance happening at the moment. Uh, but anyway, you can definitely I'll share the link with you here on the chat section. You can just type in Infosys Springboard, Infy Springboard. You will be getting it on Google search. But today it might not work, but you can do that in the evening or maybe tomorrow. Because the maintenance activity is planned from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. today, because it's Saturday, learners will be, all the initiatives will be a little slow. But tomorrow, definitely you can do that. And of course, Jacinta, Lakshmi, and everyone, they have identified some courses, artificial intelligence courses for you on Infosys Springboard platform. They're creating a microsite. So you all will be learning on the Infosys Springboard platform. You'll be logging into it very soon. So this is all about the platform. Of course, I didn't get a chance to show you the platform, but definitely we all will be in touch as you be going through the hackathon program, and you will definitely be learning on the platform. So you will have to log in to access those artificial intelligence courses. And it's not just only for this hackathon, but once you log in on Infosys Springboard platform, it will be there for you for lifelong. Okay, so one, even if this hackathon is over, you can still continue your learning journey. All the courses, 20,000 plus courses are available for you at any time and anywhere. And Infosys Springboard is also available on Play Store and App Store, so you can download it so that you can learn anytime and anywhere. Be it when you are traveling, if you want to upskill yourself without wasting any time, you can do that. And like I mentioned, please follow Infosys Springboard on social media platform to get all the latest updates. Like whenever we are launching Pragati, you can make an advantage of it by registering on the platform. So you will get that communication. And once you log in on the platform, you'll also be getting the mails from Infosys Springboard. If at all we are launching anything new, you will definitely be getting that communication as well. Okay, and also one more thing that I would like to add on here is we do have another tie-up with Amazon Web Services. We have Amazon AWS Skill Builder program that has been launched in last year June, where we are providing the license for one of the program, AWS Skill Builder program on Amazon Web Services, which we are spending some crores of amount, and we are giving it free of cost to all the women learners who have graduated from Pragati Path to Future program, and who have completed their internship, and who have been actively learning on the platform, completing the courses and certification, and also from the colleges that have been identified, who have been actively been part of Infosys Springboard platform. We are giving these AWS Skill Builder licenses, which is worth more than like $300 to $400. We are giving it free because they have achieved it. They have completed the graduation in Pragati. They have completed the graduation in internship program on Infosys Springboard platform. So don't lose any kind of opportunity that comes your way. Make maximum use of it, and I wish you all the best for your hackathon and also for your future. Shine high with bright colors, get a good job, and make your parents happy. So, with that, I would like to thank you everyone for this opportunity. And if you have any doubts, I'm here to address them. Any doubts related to the courses on Infosys Springboard or anything that I have explained so far, if you have any queries, please do let me know. I can address them in the next 10 15 minutes. Yeah, definitely, Varsha. We can do one exclusive session. I'll show them Infosys Springboard platform again, and so that I can guide them on how the courses are working, how they can learn, how can they get the certificate, etc. I can see the comments coming in, the questions coming in. When can we register for the next cohort? Okay, so currently cohort 8 registrations are closed. We'll be starting the program very soon. Maybe in another 1.5 months, we might start cohort 9. So, like I mentioned, you log in onto the platform, and or you can follow Infosys Springboard social handles so that you'll get that communication very soon. Is it necessary to do AI course? Rupa, actually, AI is a trending technology. If you do not learn that, you will be lagging behind in the competition. So you should learn AI, and not just AI, any latest trending technology that comes in, you should learn that. Kalpana, AWS program, you have to be part of Pragati or internship initially. Once you get graduated, then we will be giving you the license. Okay, because it has to, because that is very expensive license. It has to be achieved. It's not given that easily. You have to fight for it and get it. So be a part of internship or Pragati program. You will definitely get AWS skill builder once you complete it. No, actually, I can see one question. So some of the code doesn't have certificate. Certificates are definitely available. I don't know if I'm spelling the name right. Nomne Kim. Okay, anyway. So definitely the courses are, all the certificates are available. If you face any challenge, we have a support team. You can write we can write to support team for the with the mail ID springboard-support@infosys.com. They will address and they'll guide you with all the certificates if you face any challenges. And also one more thing, like I mentioned, we do have the content from Skillsoft, Coursera, IHT, and AWS Skill Builder, of course, and many other content, right? So whenever you complete any course, generally these are the external content partners. So whenever you complete any code, it will take 24 hours to 48 hours to get your certificate. So do not panic if you are not getting the certificate immediately, because generally the learning hours or your user progress will lie with the external content partner initially, because you're doing it on their platform, and finally it comes to Infosys Springboard platform. So this will take some time. If you still don't get it within 48 hours, you can write to support team. They will help you get the certificate. Of course, Infosys courses that are there on Springboard, you will definitely get it immediately. But these external content partners, it's a process actually. That is how it works. It's a procedure. You have to wait for 24 hours to 48 hours, and you will definitely get the certificate. So if you have completed any course, please wait for 48 hours. Do not panic. We are there to help you. I did Excel course at first. It showed certificate, but now it's not showing. Krupa, what you can do is go to your profile. You will see my achievements, and in that you will be having all your certificates list. If you still don't get it there, like I mentioned, write to support team. They will help you. Virtual internship program, it might get launched maybe in another 10-15 days. So stay tuned. Wait for the updates. Wait for the communication from Infosys Springboard. More max 10 to 15 days, but it is around the call. You will definitely get the communication. Yeah, Harshita, please wait for the communication. Internship is around. Shavia, I'm not sure which virtual internship batch you have got completed. If it is very recently, then we will be considering you maybe for the next 6.0. Okay. Please drop in a mail, Shravya, with your program completion certificate to support ID. It will come to me or Vinay. We will look into it. Okay. But ensure whenever you are registering on the platform, please update your gender as female, because if you do not disclose it, there is a chance that it can be a mix of male and female. So there is a chance that we may not consider do not disclosed option. So ensure when you are registering, mention your gender as female, so that you will get the opportunity for AWS skill builder. Shall just check on that first, whether the gender thing, then you write to support ID, then we'll look into it. Can you suggest us a course for AI DS student relating to job? Okay, Kritika, you will be definitely learning AI course as part of this hackathon. However, you can just type artificial intelligence as a keyword on the search button on Infosys Springboard platform. You will definitely be getting a lot of courses. There will be filter options on the left side. You can choose beginner level, intermediate level, or advanced level, and you can learn. And there are a lot of channel pages or the microsites also available, knowledge boards available related to these courses, where we have given the learning paths. Like you can go from beginner level to advanced level and the certification as well. So you can go like you can learn it like a journey. So there are a lot of channels available. Just type artificial intelligence on the search button. You will definitely be getting it there. Where can we register for Pragati? Yogita, we will let you know. I mean, you will get the communication with the registration link whenever we start the program. Okay, Shravya, you can just check, and you can reach out with the certificate, your program completion certificate. We'll look into that. Vaishnavi, BCom students, which will be useful for getting the jobs. So there is something called, just type industry readiness on this. Of course, no maintenance activities happening. Otherwise, I might have shown you that. You can just type industry readiness on the search button. There is a page called industry ready job roles. There are a lot of courses available for all the professionals and also including the latest technology trend. You can try that. Or there are a lot of courses from Skillsoft also available for the BCom students. There are courses related to finance. You can just give a try. Like you just type the keyword on the search button, and there is a chatbot called Zoe on the bottom right corner. And if you just type the keyword there, Zoe will recommend you the direct course also. It's an artificial intelligence chatbot. So you can just, like how you interact with ChatGPT or Gemini of the world. So you can just interact with Zoe also. It will guide you on entire course on Infosys Springboard. Beginner courses on AI. There is one artificial intelligence beginner level course. And even the course name is artificial intelligence. Like I mentioned, just ask Zoe on, just type artificial intelligence beginner level course. Zoe will give it to you. You can directly get it. And you can also have the option of filtering it out basis the duration. Like if you want to learn any beginner level course of 60 minutes, you can choose that filter and it will suggest you only the 60-minute courses. And if there is another option of 60 to 180 minutes, which is like within 3 hours, whichever you can complete, it will filter you out with 3 hour duration course as well. And beyond that, also, there are a lot of certifications available. And as soon as you complete any course on Springboard, you will get course completion certificate with a QR code. And at the same time, the certifications that are available on Infosys Springboard, these are all video proctored, which means like any other government exam, you have to sit in front of the video camera on and all the tabs will be off. You have to take the video proctored assessment. And if you get 65% marks, only then you get the certificate of achievement. Okay, that's a very powerful certificate because certification is a group of courses. It has a lot of courses to bunch clubbed together, and it will be like a learning path for you, and you get a certificate of achievement. But a course, it's a single course, and if you get 60% marks in that, you get a course completion certificate. Of course, both the certificates will have the QR code for sure. And if you, for a course, if you don't get 60% marks, you can immediately retake the assessment. You don't need to go through the entire course again. You just can retake the assessment again, and you can get the 60% marks immediately. And as soon as you get it, you will get the certificate. Of course, if it's an external content partner, you have to wait for 48 hours. If it is an Infosys course, you get the certificate immediately. But for certification, if you don't get 65% marks, you have to wait for 15 more days to again retake the assessment. Okay, you can retake the assessment directly. You don't need to go through the course again because you already learned it. But if you don't get 65% marks, you can take multiple number of attempts. There is no stoppage. Your only thing is you have to just wait for 15 days, and after that you can take the assessment again. Okay. Will the top performers get internship opportunities or referrals? Suhani, are you speaking about the hackathon top performers? Can you clarify that? Okay, any other queries? Biotechnology courses, I think it will be limited, Sahi. I need to check biotechnology because it's a very niche niche course, right? We just need to check if it is available or not. But there are science related courses available. You can just explore the platform. Okay. Any other questions? I think I completed addressing all of them. Any other questions? Definitely, I'll interact with you again. I would like to show the Infosys Springboard platform. I will guide you through all the courses. Once again, we'll be in touch. And if no questions, then I would like to thank you for being such a wonderful audience. Thank you for all the questions that have come in, all the queries that have come in. And I wish you all the best for your hackathon and also for your future. Over
Thank you,
to you.
Sai. Thank you so much. It was a very insightful session and very informative session for all our students and the participants today. And I hope everybody got a introduction to Springboard and the facilities that they're providing. And 20 plus courses is not less. And I would request everyone to leverage this to the fullest. And of course, from HopeWorks, I'm Deepthi, and I will be guiding you through the curriculum and the courses that we have designed exclusively for Hackathon. We have created a microsite, a channel, which will guide you step by step. And we have designed 6 modules, and today, unfortunately, we'll not be able to show it to you because the site is down. But we'll have an exclusive session on the same where I'll be showing you the 6 modules that we have designed so that you can, it is like hand holding you throughout the hackathon. For students, for professionals, also, we have selected advanced certification courses. And as Sai said, we always have a support team. Anytime, anywhere we get stuck, the support team of Infosys is always there to support us. And it has been a great collaboration with Infosys for these 2 years with us. I would proudly say all our students have done Infosys Springboard courses, and around 500 to 600 courses done so far. And we also have students coming back telling us that they got a job because of the certifications that they've mentioned in their resumes. So definitely this is a very good value add to all the participants. And if I'm not wrong, Sai, we are getting a lifelong access to
Yes.
Springboard for all the participants here. So I would request everyone to sign in, and next week, we'll have a detailed session of signing in, registering, and taking you through each module. And I saw a few questions coming in asking for the courses. We have detailed down courses part of the module. There are 6 modules. First one being innovation mindset. Second one is teamwork and communication. Third one being analytic thinking. Fourth one being technical foundation. And fifth one is solution development, and the last one is hackathon readiness. So I'm sure this will take you through a complete completion of the hackathon without worrying about how will I present, how will I do it, or any questions will be addressed. And you will have your mentors, you will have SMEs, you will have a full support team to guide you. And I hope all the best to all the participants here. And I see a lot of good energy and a lot of questions coming in. So please keep this going on. That is all from, I think, Springboard and Infosys and Sai in my end. Thank you all. Yasmin, you can take over.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Sai.
Deepthi. Thank you, everyone. All the best.
Thank you,
All the best.
Deepthi. Thank you, Sai. That was a great overview covering courses, internships, certifications, and finally getting job ready. That was amazing. Thank you. Continuing further, I feel artificial intelligence is not just technology, it is a tool that amplifies human imagination. As AI researcher Fifi Lee once said, artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's not that big, scary thing in the future, it's here with us today. So, to help us understand AI and its real world possibilities, please welcome Parth Lavate, founder and CEO of TechD Technologies. Parth Lavate is a tech entrepreneur focused on building digital solutions for social impact. He works on platforms that support education and nonprofit sectors through innovation and product development. He is passionate about using technology to solve real world problems and improve access to quality education. Parth, please note that this presentation is recorded for the benefit of the participants. Over to you. Please give us a moment. Participants will just take a 10-minute break and will continue with the next session. You can stay logged in and we'll be continuing in another 10 minutes. Lakshmi, it's just a short break. You can stay connected and then we'll be continuing shortly. Meanwhile, if you have any queries or questions so far, we can address that now. Participants will be continuing soon. You can join in after a short break of around 5 to 6 minutes more.